Hey guys, it is for the most part done. The 3-barrel filter upgrade is finally complete. As you can see, um, the pump that used to be in this little area at the bottom, at this bottom left-hand side, is now moved up to the top, which is a heck of a lot better because um, it can't ever get flooded, uh, and having it below the pond level was was nice, but you didn't need it because I had a check valve in there anyway. So yeah, that moved out there, makes it a lot nicer looking. It's also the makes it a little bit more efficient because there's less piping that's involved and less angles that the water goes through to get into the pump. So there you go. The water goes into the pump again, which is a Waterways iron light, which is one of the more efficient. It only takes 130 watts, yet it powers my entire pond system. So really efficient, really low cost. It's probably one of the best low cost and hidden gems out there. I think I got this one for only like $89, and it's been running for about 2 or 3 years. And I have a second one just in case that I think I picked up on eBay for like 60 bucks. Again, only 130 watts, so really efficient. So it goes in there. It goes into here's my 2-valve system, so I can flush out. So if I ever need to flush this static bed out, then what I do is I pretty much shut off the valve and then release the gate valve out there, and I run it to the yard. So here's the first one. This is a static bed. All it does is just sit there. It's got 4 cubic feet of K3 material, so it's slightly larger. It's kind of the size of it, right? K3. Picked this up for really cheap. It's like $100 for 4 cubic feet. Right, it's just a static bed. Then after that flows into my another filter right here. So this is the scrubby, so another static biological filter. It's just filled with a ton of scrubbies in there. Probably, my guess is over $100 worth of scrubbies that I got from the dollar store. Okay. And then next off goes to the moving bed, which is not currently moving because I kind of messed around with it, but it was moving. Okay, there it goes. There's a moving bed. You can see everything kind of nice flow everywhere in there. It's nice and uniform, not too crazy, not too violent, not too slow. So it works out pretty well. And then at the top here, you can kind of see there's a small pump for the waterfall. So that way I can control the waterfall very specifically. I can turn it on or off with the electrical. So it's kind of hard to see, but you can see there's like that black pump. So there's a small little waterfall pump where it uses to turn it on. So that's the most efficient component. It's still get decent flow. And so there's the 2 outlets of the pond right here. There's the main drain that goes back into the shower filter that's fitting within the pond. And on top of that, is plugged into the top of the So I'm going to go ahead and where this one is. So you can see this is where they're both plumbed, the black one. There's the various valves into it. The first one from the main 3-inch pipe is basically just an overflow, just in case I need to, for some reason, have some extra flow that I need to get out. And then but it's not currently being used. And then the wet one goes into the filter and into the waterfall. So here's the current waterfall. I turned it off, I turned it down just so that you could hear me a little bit better. But basically the waterfall is going into there. And then hidden inside at the bottom area of this is the shower filter. So go ahead and check out my other video that has how that shower filter is plumbed, and it's entirely hidden. You can't see pretty much anything in it. Once it goes into the pond and the skimmer, and there's a bottom drain that flow. The one thing I do need to get rid of still is this radial filter that I don't need anymore. So I do need to fill that up. But that's connected to the bottom drain, and then a set of valves that I also need to clean up a little bit. But that are used to control the flow back into the pump. So that's the complete cycle of it, and those are my koi, as you can see. And then finally, my new baby koi that came from next day ponds. So really happy with these little babies. They were pretty good quality coming from an online reseller. So can't wait to put these to present. So, all right. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and thanks for watching. Bye guys.